red curls, hell up on earth. Karma scheming, tarot reading type of it girl. Feminine gaze, evergreen lace. Her heels cut through pavement like it's paper mache. She takes a seat next to me, guess my grades were history. Studying the way she signs her name in calligraphy. Perfume smells like apple spice, bergamot, jealousy, hate. The boys she dates makes my stomach ache. She's a force of nature, no one can tame, shake the magic gate. I am not afraid of a force of nature, her dangerous ways. I'd fall into her embrace. She says, girls' night at mine, come around 9. I can steal us bottles of the fanciest wine. While they all snooze, we play dare without truth. Wrapped up in her sleeping bag like that's what friends do.